Tired of logging business miles in a notebook and forgetting to claim them at tax time? If you didn't know QuickBooks could automate mileage tracking, you're not alone. Today, we're tracking mileage using both the mobile app and the desktop. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. The QuickBooks mobile app uses your phone's GPS to automatically track trips, while the desktop version lets you manually enter mileage for reimbursement or tax deductions. On the go, use the mobile app. Download the QuickBooks mobile app and log in. Tap the mileage tracker icon and give the app permission to access your location. For automatic tracking, simply start driving. The app detects trips and categorizes them as business or personal. At your desk, manual entry. In QuickBooks Online, go to the Mileage feature under Transactions or Apps. You can manually enter a trip by providing the date, start/end locations, purpose, and total miles. You can then assign it to a customer or category. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: categorize trips immediately. Whether automatic or manual, always categorize your trips as business right away. Letting them sit as uncategorized creates a pile of work later. A quick tap when the trip is fresh in your mind saves a lot of hassle. So, just like that, you're equipped to capture every deductible mile effortlessly. Proper mileage tracking goes a long way in maximizing your tax deductions and reimbursements. Now I'm curious, do you use the automatic tracking or are you a manual entry person? What's your method? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.